So if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to go over this move, okay? So if you haven't got it, please stay tuned. It's a bit of an intermediate move, but you've got this. First of all, what I want you to do is I want you to start on the opposite shoulder here, okay? And I want you to have your thumb up like this, almost like your thumb in the left, okay? From there, what you're going to do is just get the feel of this, okay? Because it will automatically want to go to wrap around your thumb. Once you get the hang of that, what you want to do is you want to, when you're bringing it out, you want to make sure, because remember these L patterns, you're going to want to bring it out like so, okay? So watch. So you're going to bring it out like this. From there, it's just as simple as doing this, wrist roll and catching it, okay? So it is pretty complex. So here, catch, wrist roll. I'm back over to the shoulder. So remember, you start on this shoulder here, okay? Thumb up here, thumb roll. Grab it, and you should be in a reverse grip. Then you're going to wrist roll back around and start here and finish here, okay? So that is the basic gist of that move. You've got this, so practice it, okay? So once you've got this clean, okay, and really perfect, I should have an anti-spin version for you, which the anti-spin version looks like this, okay, which it gives a totally different look, okay? So that'll be out very soon. So remember to subscribe, drop us a like and a comment, and I'll get back to you. Have an amazing day, have an amazing Christmas, because it's nearly Christmas now. So I'll see you again soon, guys.